students, now come to its sixth question. What is given in sixth question? Draw a triangle ABC. What we have to do? We have to draw a triangle ABC in which sides are, side BC is equal to 7 centimeter is given, angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle A is equal to 105 degree. हमने एक ट्राइंगल ABC ड्रॉ करना है जहां पर एंगल B क्या है 45 डिग्री, एंगल A कितना है 105 डिग्री. आफ्टर इट कंस्ट्रक्ट ए ट्राइंगल हुज साइड्स आर 4/3 टाइम्स द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. हमने एक दूसरा ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करना है जिसमें उसकी साइड्स जो है ट्राइंगल ABC की कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के 4/3 टाइम्स है. इट मीन्स it is same as it is question number 3. We will follow same procedure here. Before drawing this similar triangle, see one thing here. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Here two angles are given, angle B and angle A, but line segment BC is given. So for drawing this triangle, what we will do, first of all we will find angle C. See how we will do this question. Yes, what is given? BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree, angle A is equal to 105 degree. So first of all, what we will do? We will draw triangle ABC. We will take a line segment BC of 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now draw an angle of 45 degree. You can draw this angle using protractor. This is an angle of 45 degree. Now draw it. It is of 45 degree. Now dear students, angle B is given, angle A is given. Let it is triangle ABC. ABC angle, this angle is of 45 degree, this angle is of 105 degree. Now we can find out this angle. How can we find this angle? By using angle sum property. So we will show the solution by angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle ABC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A 105, angle B 45 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now add these. On adding, what we will get? 150 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 150. That is angle C is equal to 30 degree. So dear students, at point C we will draw an angle of 30 degree. Here I am using protractor for drawing this angle. Let this is angle of 30 degree measurement. Now join it. Where these two rays intersect each other, we will get our third vertex, and it is angle A. It is of 105 degree. Yes dear students, now what we have to do? We have to draw another triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So for this, what we will do, as we can see that this numerator is greater than denominator. यहाँ पर जो न्यूमरेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा है. So our new triangle or required triangle will be in the exterior part of this triangle. जो हम यहाँ पर नए ट्राइंगल की फॉर्मेशन करेंगे वो ट्राइंगल ABC के एक्सटीरियर पार्ट में होगा. So for this, what we will do? Again we will draw acute angle at point B, or we will draw a ray. We will draw a ray BX on the opposite side on BC on the opposite sides of vertex A. Like this we will draw. Let it is our ray BX. I am writing here X. Now in how many parts we will divide it? We will divide or we will mark 4 equal parts on this ray BX. Yes. As we have done in earlier questions, B1, B2, B3 and it is B4. Now write their names. Let it is B1, B2, B3, B4. Now dear students, what is its denominator point? It is 3. So we will join this B3 to C. हम क्या करेंगे? B3 को C से join करेंगे. Like this. Now measure this angle. This angle is of 60. This angle is an acute angle. Now we will draw same measurement angle at point B4 like this. Let this angle is intersecting extended BC. मान लो ये extended BC को आगे बढ़ाने पर C dash point पे कट कर रहा है. Let it is C dash. Now as this angle is of 30 degree, so we will draw same angle measurement at point C dash. Yes, at C dash we will draw angle of 30 degree. Here it is of 30 degree. Let it is intersecting this ray. Let it is Y point. This ray BY at point A dash. So A dash B C dash. A dash B C dash is our required triangle. Yes dear students, I am repeating it. What we have done? We have drawn BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Taking B as center, we have drawn angle of 45 degree. Now for drawing angle at point C, we have find out this angle by using angle sum property of triangle. So from here what we are getting? Angle C is equal to 30 degree. Now here if it is of 30 degree, now automatically this angle A will be of 105 degree. So this is the triangle ABC. Now we have to draw a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times the sides of triangle ABC. It means our required triangle will be in the exterior part of triangle ABC. So for this what we will do? We will draw a ray BX by making an acute angle on BC on the opposite side of vertex A. After it join B3 to C. हम क्या करेंगे? B3 को C से join करेंगे. Now measure this acute angle, that is angle B3C. We will draw same measurement angle at B4 C dash. We will draw same measurement angle at B4. Now this angle is intersecting extended BC at C dash. ये BC को आगे बढ़ाने पे C dash point पे कट कर रहा है. After it what we will do? We will draw angle of 30 degree at C dash. Let it is intersecting ray BY at point A dash. So A dash B C dash is the required triangle. It is our question number 6.